आझादी का अमृत महोत्सवाचो एक भाग म्हण SBI बँकेन बायलां खातेधारकांक सशक्त करपाची मोहीम सुरू केल्या. ह्या निमतान SBI करंजाळे शाखा आनी वेल्थ हब ह्युमन पॉवर ग्रो अँड प्रिजर्व वेल्थ हांणी एक कार्यावळ आयोजीत केल्ली. पळयात.
निवृत्त उच्च न्यायालयाचे न्यायाधीश, उद्देजक, दोतोर, वकील आनी घरकान्नी अशे नामनेच्यो बायलां खातेधारकां ह्या कार्यावळीत सहभागी जाल्लीं. आर्थीक साक्षरतायेंत बायलांक प्रेरीत करप आनी तांकां तांची संपत्ती कशी वाडोवंक शकता आनी तिगोवन दवरूं येता हें चड समजून घेवपाची संद दिवप ह्या हेतान हो उपक्रम राबयल्लो. पळयात.
This is an initiative that we've just started. All of you would be aware there is something called Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav going on all over the country. So, as part of that celebration, I thought, being a lady myself, that I wanted to get my lady folks more into the wealth, more to be decision makers, more to decide on all of us are working. But somewhere, in our culture, there is the fact that the man decides. It's okay. We know we are part of that culture. But somewhere I thought, what if I give the ladies also that kind of knowledge, that kind of empowerment to make their own decisions and handling their own money. So this is where I thought, I told my team that I want to do something for the ladies. And wealth managers customers need not necessarily be men. So this is the first initiative that I am coming here to. It's not that I'm addressing all of you, I just wanted to interact with my clients and see how you feel about this initiative. So we've started this initiative all over India, and I have said since it's the 75th year that India has gone by, we'll have 75 such programs where we have groups of women coming in, in all the modules, wherever we have the wealth piece. So this was something that I've come to, and since I've come to address my new relationship managers well, I'm so glad that this has coincided and I'm before you. So thank you very much, first of all for patronizing SBI, for being with us. I hope you're all happy customers, and this is our endeavor. That we want you to be happy. We want you to grow in your worth. We want your value addition to be part of our value.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिग्स.